Some girls dream of this day their entire lives, but I can't say I was ever one of them. Part of me thought maybe I'd never get married, but now I know it was just a matter of meeting the right person.
You are a great mother to our children. You are my concert buddy. You are the most caring person I know, my best friend, and my partner in crime. Your strengths complement my weaknesses, and you truly have made me a better person. I only hope I have done the same for you.
Great honor to be here today. I'm really happy for both of you. Started thinking of myself for writing this speech, and I tried to think of like the earliest memory I possibly could of like.
We both worked at Menards. That's how we met. She was one of the first friends I made here once we moved to Wisconsin. We slowly grew into friends and then best friends, but now I truly believe she's my sister from another mister. She has crossed over into family, and I feel like I've known her my whole life.
We were actually cuddled in bed with Mom, actually there. Denise, Mom, please stand up, say hi. Awesome stepdad right next to her, Jason. We were cuddled in bed, and she was actually teaching us how to read. It was an amazing time because it was like the first time I got a chance to like look up you, admire you, and actually watch you like enjoy them.
I simply couldn't imagine my life without you in it. I think the more I write, the more I think of the things that we have done, and the more it makes me smile. Like our first cruise, moving in together, going to Mexico, looking at you through the glass in Vegas. We may not have always done things in the right order, but we've always ended up in the right place.
Josh, it is always an adventure with you. I never know what might come out of your mouth. Sometimes funny, sometimes not always at the best time, but you always keep me on my toes and put a smile on my face. You've given me a life and family that I've always wanted. I'm so proud and blessed of the family we have built, and I can't imagine growing up with anyone else. And with that, I promise to always be there for you when you need me to be.
I now pronounce you man and wife. You may now kiss the bride. And I present to you guys for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Coulter.
See, DiAnna's the type of girl who needs a challenge, and Josh is just the right type of challenge for her. He's independent, knows how to have a good time, and can make her laugh, but isn't quite complete without her.
In the years since, I've learned how wonderful, amazing, and a loving person you are. You're an amazing mother, and I can't believe a schlep like Josh was lucky enough to find you. I love you both.
For real though, my suggestion to you is to never stop dating each other, because it is when you are dating that you are putting forth your best effort.
Okay, a little bit of both. Who's the better driver? Hold up. But who's got the better driving record? Who do you love the most in the entire world? All right, everybody give it up for the bride and groom.